Hey everybody, this is Travis, and we are still trying to find a very tiny, minute leak. Well, Kathy talked me into buying an LP sniffer, and we have gone through everything, and this is the water heater, and we have found nothing, but Kathy just keeps going, and guess what she found? The valve is allowing gas to slowly leak through. Should not be doing that. What do you think?
Yay!
You did good. All right. So, another project on the Rat Motel. All right, just a little more information on the leak. Kathy?
Well, it seems to be a tiny little leak, so that tells you how sensitive the little detector is. But if you look real close...
All right, let me get zoomed in. All right.
Can't see where I'm spraying.
Can you see that tiny little bubble? That's almost nothing. But that leak detector just fired off, didn't it?
It did. And that's just enough leak to leak out the whole system if you're not watching.
And where did you buy that detector for me?
Oh, Home Depot.
Home Depot. How much was it?
$27 and some change. 30 bucks. Well worth it.
What a deal. Hit it again.
Yeah, I got too many bubbles that time.
Hit it again.
Watch out.
Yep, you can see the little tiny bubble forming.
Yep. Come on.
Isn't that
There
tiny? But that was enough to set that sniffer off. Great job, honey. Thank you as always. This is the face of a happy man and a blessed man.